Good morning, students. Today's our topic is about kingdoms of rivers. This is for 4th standard social science. Children, in previous class we have learnt about Cheras and Cholas dynasty. Now let's see about Pandyas and Pallavas dynasty. Pandyas dynasty. The Pandyas, one of 3 ancient kingdoms in south of India, was Pandya's kingdom, who ruled Tamil Nadu. Pandyas established their rule on the bank of Vaigai with Madurai as their capital. They ruled on the bank of river Vaigai. Pandya's capital city was Madurai. See children, this is Vaigai river. It is in Madurai. The ancient Pandya country comprised of Madurai, Theni, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin. Tuticorin is also called Thuthukudi, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Madurai remained as the most populous city of Sangam period. Children, for example, in Tamil Nadu, our Chennai city remains most populous city. Like that, during Sangam period, Madurai remained as the most populous city of Sangam period. Pandya country famous for pearls. Pandya country famous for pearls. Muttamil Sangams were held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. Muttamil means Iyal, Isai, Nadagam were called Muttamil Sangam, were held in Madurai under the patronage means under the support of Pandyas. See children, Muttamil Sangam. Iyal. Iyal means prose. Isai. Isai means music. Nadagam. Nadagam means drama. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. The third Tamil Sangam was conducted in Madurai. Muttamil flourished. Muttamil developed during the reign. During the reign means period of Pandyas. The most famous kings were Thalayalanganathu, Servendra, Pandya Nedunchezhiyan and Pandya Nedunchezhiyan of Silapadigaram. Students, here, when Pandya Nedunchezhiyan was a young boy, when he was young, he fought a battle. He fought a battle at Thalayalanganam against Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords. Feudal lords means Kurunila Mannargal like Pari, Pagan, Adiyaman, Valviluri were called Kurunila Mannargal. He defeated the combined force. He defeated the entire force. Therefore, Pandya Nedunchezhiyan, he got the title Thalayalanganathu Servendra Pandya Nedunchezhiyan. Silapadigaram. During the rule of Pandya Nedunchezhiyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. Pandya Nedunchezhiyan king, without proper investigation, he gave death punishment to Kovalan. But Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated. She argued to prove her husband's innocent. Finally, she proved it. When the king realized the truth, he said, Yana Arasan, am I king? No. Yane Kalvan, I am the thief. Kedugaven oil, lets my life end now itself. He prayed the god to take his life because he gave wrong judgment, wrong punishment to Kovalan and died by falling down from his throne immediately. Throne means in Tamil we used to say Simhasanam immediately. His wife Koperam Devi also sacrificed her life. She also died out of shock. The administrative system of the Pandya was depicted. Depicted means described by Mangudi Marudanar of Madurai, Kanchi. See children, some information about Pandyas. River. Pandya's river was Vaigai. Capital city was Madurai. Port was Korkai. And flag was fish. See, this is emblem of Pandyas. Also flag of Pandyas. Let's see about Pallavas. Pallava dynasty. Pallavas. The early Pallavas ruled on the bank of river Palar with Kanjipuram as their capital. Pallavas' capital city was Kanjipuram. The region ruled by them was called Tondai Mandalam. The region ruled by Pallavas was called Tondai Mandalam. It is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. Early Pallavas. The kingdom of early Pallavas was founded by Sivaskandhavarma Pallavan. He coordinated Tondai Mandalam and ruled over there. The greatest king among early Pallavas were Sivaskandhavarman and Vishnugopan. Later Pallavas. The later Pallavas period was started from the period of Simhavishnu. The greatest king of this period were Mahendravarman and Narasimhavarman. See children, the greatest achievements of the Pallavas were cave temples and monolithic rathas. Mahabalipuram, this is cave temple. And see, this one is another cave, tiger. This is Mahabalipuram. Most of the monuments were built by single stones. And Mahabalipuram was built by Pallavas, Pallava dynasty. It is located near Chennai. This is 200 years plan of Pallavas. See children, this is Tiger Cave. Another cave. Pallavas. River Palar and Pallavas capital Kanjipuram. Kanjipuram famous for silk saree. Port Mahabalipuram. Flag Nandi. See children, this is emblem of Pallavas, also Pallavas country flag. Children, see evaluation part. I have given evaluation part here. First one of the greatest achievements of dash was cave temples. Muttamil flourished during the reign of dash. The flag of Pandyas was dash. The greatest kings among the later Pallavas were dash and dash. Pandya country famous for dash. Children, read it carefully, answer it. Thank you.